So it just got this nice big box in for, well, you know what it is for. That thing right there. So I thought it'd be cool to show what this is. And do a quick unboxing here. Alright, so if you've been following me, you should know that I had a bunch of parts from Mishimoto coming. And this is one of the big things I've been waiting for. So let's see if, I think this piece here will be a nice dead giveaway to what it is. Let's see here. Trying to film, cut things, and get eaten alive by mosquitoes all at the same time. Alright, put that down so I don't cut myself in two pieces. Oh, that's pretty. That is pretty. Yeah, that'll do. There we go. Alright, so yes, just by that one piece there, goes ahead and tell you exactly what this is. Of course, this is the Mishimoto Intake kit for 18 and up EcoBoost Mustang. And here we have the actual airbox itself. A couple of different pieces here. This piece here has their name on it. Cool. Alright, let's see the main bit here. I tell you, they do a pretty good job at packaging their stuff. Everything's like bubble wrapped and taped and packaged and sealed and bagged and everything. Alright, let's see here. I'll kind of pull this back a little bit so we get an idea. Oh, that's going to look nice. That is like a low gloss black. Oh, that's going to look so nice. So the whole intake is black. So that's more of a gloss finish here on this piece. And then I'll show the tubing here in a second. There we go. Look at that. It's like a textured black finish. That looks really nice. This whole tube's like that, and oops. And then the other part is this right here. And this is, I'm not going to take it out of the bag, but this is just basically one big piece of like molded silicone, which is actually really good because this is going to great for you know, not transferring heat into the turbo or from the turbo into the intake or whatever. I like that it is just one big piece of like molded silicone, so that's nice. And it looks good. So yeah, just wanted to do a quick unboxing of the Mishimoto intake kit here. I will be putting it on the car here soon. Not sure when, but soon. So it's cool to see that. So I want to share this.